Okay, so on this one, here. So again, the rules are we can. Oh yeah, let me see. What are the rules? This this is going to be 1. First one is 1. Why? Because it's the same thing over itself, right? This is 6x plus 4. The order of adding doesn't matter. Let me write that. Order of adding does not. Well, here, let me put it a different way. 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 2. We can switch the order of added items, right? It doesn't matter at all. 3 plus 2, 2 plus 3, it's 5 either way you do it. You can switch the order. So I switch the order. They're the same thing divided by itself. It's 1. So I'll come down here. This one also is 1. So A and D are both added items. The order doesn't really matter. It's the same thing top and bottom. It's 1. Now, B and C are subtracted. How does that work? Well, let's try it out. What if you have 7 minus 2? What is that? Well, 5. What if you switch the order? Oh, it does change the answer, doesn't it? It changes the sign of the answer, doesn't it? You see that? So if you have 7 minus 2 over 2 minus 7, it's really 5 over negative 5, which cancels, but the negative is left. It's negative 1, isn't it? So this is going to be negative 1, and this is negative 1. Do you see that? Because they're the same thing, but they're subtracted in the opposite order. Same thing subtracted in the opposite order. So if you have the same thing, like 7 minus 2 over 2 minus 7, subtracted in the opposite order, we can tell that the answer comes out negative 1 because it's, the two answers are the negative. One's a positive, one's a negative, same number. So they divide and it's 1, it's negative 1. And whereas if they're added, two things added in opposite order, it doesn't matter at all, right? Just switch it and cancel them, right? If you have 2 plus 3 over 3 plus 2, that's just 5 over 5. It's just 1, isn't it? So there we go.